Hello people, Seven here. Today I'm building a new PC. It's an Intel i5-13500 and the case I'm gonna be using is from NZXT H1B2, which is an ITX form factor. Let's unbox some stuff and see what's what. Here it goes. Let's open up the box. Wow, the case looks really very great. I've seen some pictures before, but it's really very small. As the name says, small form factor. It's a POV, I might not be able to shoot a few things, but I'll try to explain and show as much as possible. Okay? Here comes the motherboard. It's an RTX motherboard that I'm using. Obviously, it's a small form factor. Okay, so let's do one thing. I'll quickly go ahead and speed up the things. You can listen to the music I play and I'll get back to you and I'll explain everything that I've installed and how things work. Okay, let's go. Okay, so I have just installed the motherboard and the CPU cooler. Let me quickly show it to you. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Open, open, open. There you go. And back to the music.